Alright, so let's try some combined vowels today. They look hard, but it actually makes sense. So the first one we're going to try is O, O, as in oh, that's awesome. And then okay, so you say these two really fast, merged at once. Wa, 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 wa. And that's the greeting as in what's up, wa. Okay, and then the second one is a combination of oo, the booing sound oo, and then oh. So whoa, whoa, whoa. You say really fast again, all merged at once, whoa, whoa. And then the word example I have is taekwondo, right? The martial arts. So taekwondo. Okay, so these are samples of my flashcards. They're finally out after 2 years, and sample sales going on. So if you can see, it's made up of stroke order included, romanization included, and then the mnemonics explanation, word example with pictures, and then a sentence example incorporating that word. And they're all color coded so you can see the sentence order as well and structure as well. Comes with all my study guides for free. So check out the sample set on my website. And oh, did I mention the video lesson is also included for each card? And all the consonants, double consonants, and final consonant rules as well. So check out my website when you're free. And let me know if you have any questions. 감사합니다.